Hello everyone out there. Thanks for being here today. Coming up in this vlog, we have this number 4725 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 4725, then draw a vertical line. Look at this prime numbers set on the left, dividing 4725 by 2. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number, dividing 4725 by 3, which equals 1575. So 4725 divided by 3 equals 1575. Dividing 1575 by 3, which equals 525. So 1575 divided by 3 equals 525. Dividing 525 by 3, which equals 175. So 525 divided by 3 equals 175. Dividing 175 by 3. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number, dividing 175 by 5, which equals 35. So 175 divided by 5 equals 35. Dividing 35 by 5, which equals 7. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Dividing 7 by 5. The result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number, dividing 7 by 7, which equals 1. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 4725 are 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7, which can be written as 3 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 2 times 7. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumb up.